Hey Sojourners, good morning. Today is Monday and here I'm outside in my garden. I spent so much time in my vegetable garden that my flowers are calling out to me every time I pass them, telling me that they're jealous and they need some more attention. So today I'm going to be working in my flower garden. So stay tuned, okay? Here I have some gardenias, and these gardenias are now in pots. I had them planted in my garden, my flower garden, but they weren't doing well, and the frost last year did some damage to them. As you can see, this one is doing well. I transplanted it, placed it in a pot. Over there I have another one that I placed in a pot, but it is still struggling. Here, this one, you can see this one is doing well. And here's another one that I repotted just last week, and it is coming up nicely. But today I'm going to be planting some hydrangeas. So guys, I'll be taking you over to one of my flower gardens so you can see what I've been doing there, okay? Okay, so guys, you can see that space that is there, right there. I moved one of my gardenias from there because it wasn't doing well. But over here I have some Asian lilies. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be working today. Here I have, oh my gosh, this is my hibiscus coming up. This is beautiful when it blooms. This is where I took my gardenias from because they weren't doing well. I am not sure if it's because they are backed up against the wall. Okay, and I'll be planting some hydrangeas because they really look beautiful when they bloom. Okay, so okay guys, so here I am. I have prepared the place, as you can see up there. I've prepared right up there. See, I've dug all the holes and I'm trying to raise it above the surface of the soil because I feel that maybe it lacks drainage. It's suffering from root rot. So what I'm going to be doing is trying to get the beds above the ground. Okay, so here we go. So I've dug, I've added, the pH was off. So what I did, I added some manure, and I also added a little bit of plant fertilizer for gardenias, azaleas, and hydrangeas, and I've mixed that in the soil, and this is what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some water to it. So here I am. I'm adding some water to my soil. Okay. are my hydrangeas that I'm going to be planting. So if you can see the here. Okay, so here I have four. These are four more, as you can see, and I'm going to be placing them on each heap. One, two, all right. So these are my 5 hydrangeas. So this is the wood chip. And of course, this is going to keep the moisture in the soil. Okay? Okay, Sojourners, so I am finished planting my hydrangeas, all 5 of them, and see, I have to cover it with this mesh to protect it from the squirrels, the chipmunks, and whatever other creatures out there. Right, so here is, see the mesh that I've placed over it. So look at it, you can see it. See, it's completed. And that is my project for today. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so if you appreciate this video, will you please like, share, and subscribe? Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Please remember to click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post other videos. Okay, guys, stay tuned for my next video. Bye. See you all in my next video.